Check this out. I'm gonna have to confess, this is a lot dirtier than what I thought it would be. When we opened it up together, that was the first time I'd seen it. I hadn't done a pre-look before. So let's clean it. Good morning and good evening to wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to Sunnyville Life. We're going to do another air conditioning clean today. I've set up two cameras. I'm going to, just to give you a bit of a perspective on where we are in the room. Top right hand corner. A couple of weeks ago, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago now, I did the ducted system. So we've changed we didn't change, we cleaned the filter to the air conditioning system upstairs. That was the ducted system. Today we're going to do the split system. Very easy, very easy. You will love it. You'll know exactly what to do once I show you. So let's get into it. Very simply, there are two indented tabs on each side of the aircon, and you just pull it out and it just lifts up. Some stay in position, others do. Sometimes these filters come in two pairs, and I believe this is a single filter, and all you do is you lift it up. It's got these little tabs on the inside. This is pretty bad, and I know it's been about 7 months since I've cleaned this. Big no-no. At least every 3 months you should do it. So that just slides right out. There are little tracks in there. I'll try to show that to you, try to get a close-up later on, but very easy. You just slide it out, put that down, and we'll go clean it. Check this out. I'm gonna have to confess, this is a lot dirtier than what I thought it would be. When we opened it up together, that was the first time I'd seen it. I hadn't done a pre-look before. So let's clean it. Because this is so small, I'm just gonna clean it in the laundry sink. It doesn't take up too much room. You can still use the hose. You can go outside and use the hose on it if you prefer, but we'll do the laundry sink today. Look what's back, the Dyson. A lot of you guys like the Dyson out there. I love it too. Same as last time, we're going to clean the grill, and because it's small, it won't take very long. And let's get to it. Before I put this back in, I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. To my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. And to you people who are watching, push all those buttons. It would really help me to create more content. I love doing it. And we'll put this in. Just get it the right way around. There's the tracks. It just sits, the black plastic part sits on top of the white tracks, and you've got these little tabs that slide into the little holes, and we're done. You close, that's it, clicks into place, and we're done. That was too easy to do. If you want to see me clean the main ducted system, have a click on the link just up here, and that'll take you straight to it. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Ciao for now.